Welcome to the video on effective collaboration with DevOps and Scrum Master. After watching this video, you will be able to define key roles within a Scrum team, explain the product owner's responsibilities in managing the backlog and collaborating with the team, and describe collaboration strategies among team members to achieve successful outcomes. Did you know that organizations with high-performing Scrum teams are twice as likely to achieve their business objectives? The secret lies in how well the product owner, Scrum Master, and the DevOps team work together. High-performing Scrum teams thrive on role clarity. A Scrum team has three key roles: the product owner, the Scrum Master, and the DevOps team. Each role is distinct but complementary, and Scrum Master focus on different aspects of the project, while the DevOps team is responsible for creating and delivering the end product. Let's explore these roles in detail. The product owner is focused on the project's deliverables. They define the product vision and manage the product backlog, ensuring alignment between business needs and technological constraints. As the primary connection to stakeholders, the product owner focuses on the what and why of the project to maximize value. The Scrum Master is focused on the process. They facilitate the Scrum framework and coach the DevOps team to improve workflows and overcome roadblocks. Fostering adherence to Agile principles helps enhance team productivity and mindset. The Scrum Master focuses on the how of the project. The DevOps team members are focused on creating deliverables. They translate requirements into actionable workflows, identify and solve roadblocks, and deliver the product. Their primary focus is on the what and when of the project. As a product owner, you will practice 5 key approaches to building a high-performing team: collaboration, adapting to change, continuous integration and delivery, team empowerment, and continuous improvement. Collaboration starts with understanding customer needs deeply. You work with the DevOps team to communicate value requirements for deliverables and tasks. Regular communication with the Scrum Master strengthens this understanding. This collaboration happens during Agile ceremonies and daily interactions, where you share insights, clarify requirements, identify obstacles, and remove roadblocks. When adapting to change, you prioritize responding over following fixed plans. As your team delivers features, requirements evolve based on new learning. You collaborate with the DevOps team to understand and address these changes. The Scrum Master helps you implement changes effectively within the Agile framework. Continuous integration and delivery, or CI/CD, represents an optimal goal, but requires careful coordination. You work with DevOps and Scrum Master to establish sprint goals that deliver user functionality. You actively gather feedback and integrate it into the product backlog through refinement and reprioritization. When managing technical constraints and dependencies, you maintain open communication that values the DevOps team's input. The Scrum Master helps you leverage Agile processes to achieve these goals. For team empowerment, you partner with the Scrum Master to identify and remove obstacles that impact team effectiveness. While the Scrum Master focuses on removing impediments, you maintain team alignment with product vision and priorities. You create an environment of clarity and transparency that enables informed decision-making. Continuous improvement requires regular assessment of team roles, collaboration, workflow, and progress. Beyond formal retrospectives, you encourage daily evaluation and refinement of team processes. Now that we've explored the 5 best practices, let's see how they come together in daily work through Agile ceremonies and team collaboration. The foundation lies in Agile ceremonies, stand-ups, sprint planning, and retrospectives. These ceremonies provide structured opportunities where the product owner and Scrum Master partner, each respecting the other's role while offering support when needed. During these Agile ceremonies, each role contributes distinct value. The DevOps team creates value through feature delivery. The product owner facilitates understanding of value and manages stakeholder expectations, and the Scrum Master enforces principles while enabling flexible workflows. Success comes when everyone understands and respects process boundaries. Through clear role understanding and effective collaboration, the team achieves high performance. In this video, you explored the key roles in a high-performing Scrum team. The product owner aligns the vision, manages the backlog, and connects deliverables to business priorities. The Scrum Master facilitates the Scrum process, improves team workflows, and removes obstacles. The DevOps team focuses on creating and delivering features efficiently. Enhancing team performance involves adopting best practices. These include fostering collaboration, adapting to change, achieving continuous integration and delivery, empowering the team, and driving continuous improvement. Success is achieved by respecting process boundaries and leveraging agile ceremonies to maintain alignment. These practices enable teams to deliver consistent value